Hi, my name is Thomas Foster and this is a short tutorial where I show you how to use the Hip Hop Mugent Maschine pack. This is, for example, Ableton Live, and the first thing I'm gonna do is to load the Maschine into Ableton Live. But you also can load the Maschine as standalone version. In the Maschine, we use this arrow here and go to Open. Now we go in the Mugent Hip Hop Pack to the special data format, Maschine, and here you have the all-in-one song that you can load with a double click. All right, let's take a look to the Maschine. Okay, now we have here 8 groups. Group A is the drums. Group B, the bass. On C, we have a piano. On D, there's the synth. On E, we have 16 kicks. Every pad is a kick. On F, we have 16 claps, 16 hi-hats here. On F, we have 8 snares and 8 claps. On G, we have 16 hi-hats, 8 open and 8 close. And on H, we have a Rhodes sound, digital piano. All right, now let's record something. I first choose the tempo. If you are using the Maschine in your DAW, like Ableton, Cubase, then you have to set the tempo in your DAW. Okay, now in the DAW we say play, and now we go to record, and we click A, or we push A, the group A for the drums, and now we start playing our first beat. Because all the sounds are with a lot of velocity, if you don't want that, click fixed velocity, so it doesn't matter how hard you push, you always have the same velocity. Okay, let's go to record. That's it. So let's quantize this. To do this, we say shift and quantize here with the key 5. Yes, sounds better. Let's add a little hi-hat here, but on the hi-hat I want to have some velocity. I want to have some different levels. So we give away the fixed velocity and we say record. Here we go. Also here we click quantize. Yes, sounds better. Let's add a little percussion. Quantize. Wonderful. Let's add a bass. But for the bass, I want to record 2 bars. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I click on B to go to the group bass. On B, we hold down the pattern, create an empty pattern by clicking the 1. And now we go to double to make it 2 bars, right? Okay, let's start the beat, go to record. Say quantize. Let's add a piano or a synth. Also here we create an empty pattern and we double it by clicking on the button over on top of double. So that's the first chord. Let's record the first chord. Now let's try to find the next chord. Here it is. Let's quantize it. Last thing we're gonna do is to change the mix. For this, we go here to Mixer, and now we can change the levels of the different groups. Here with this knob, we can change the synth. So let's go down and bring it in. My name is Thomas Foster, and this was a short tutorial how to use the Hip Hop Mugent Maschine setup. Thank you for watching. Always stay creative. Cheers.
Money piling up, is busting out the safe now. I got the lawyer fees, I can beat the case now. Never snitching, middle finger to the judge. Rolling through my hood, everybody showing love, yeah.